We've been testing and reviewing tech products on this channel for many years, and while it seems like innovation has definitely slowed down for things like smartphones and computers, innovation has been going wild in terms of smart home cleaning tech products. So for this video, we partnered up with Dreame to show you guys a complete home cleaning tech setup, including Dreame's X40 Ultra robot vacuum for automatically vacuuming and washing the floors, their H12 Pro wet and dry vacuum to clean up any kind of mess, doesn't matter if it's dry or very wet and sticky. The latest edition, the Z10 Station, which is for rugs, carpets, and bigger dry messes, which is essentially a Dyson killer in every way, especially the Genius Base Station. Now, before I get into explaining all the awesome features about these cleaning products, all of them are gonna have their lowest prices since their launch during Black Friday between November 21st and December 2nd, and I'm also gonna offer some less expensive alternatives which are also on sale. So let's get started with the Dreame Z10 Station. Like I said before, this is essentially a Dyson killer. Just read the reviews or any of the direct comparison videos on YouTube. This thing cleans up super well with 150 air watts of suction power that instantly sucks up even large debris, no matter if it's on hard floors, rugs, carpets, anything. It has 65 minutes of battery life, and I cleaned up my entire main floor with lots of battery left over, and I didn't even have to charge it after I unboxed it for the first use. And it's really cool that the battery is also removable if you need to swap it out for any reason. Now, I did a crushed cereal test on the carpet, and I was shocked at how quickly it picked all of it up. It has a really cool boost mode, which has crazy powerful and effective suction. And I also did a Rice Krispie cereal test on my hard floors, and it instantly picked all of them up with the soft brush. And I'm so impressed that it didn't even like fling the cereal pieces all over the place, just sucked them right in. And then inside the bin, you can see just how much power it has as all this debris and dust spins in a vortex with its 5-layered filter to keep the air fresh and clean in your home. But out of everything, my favorite part is the charging base station. It's so easy to just grab and hang the vacuum onto the dock, with it being very stable, and it automatically charges while it's in there, which means you don't have to drill any holes in the wall for mounting. But my favorite part is this: you can just push this button and it sucks all the dust right out of the dust compartment. No more manual emptying with dust floating around everywhere. And as you can see, it's fully empty and clean afterwards. On the inside, it has a 2.5-liter dust bag, which lasts 90 days of dust collection. You get another bag in the box alongside a ton of different attachments, including a second large multi-surface brush with these cool blue lights, which reveal dust and debris, which makes it so useful to see where you should actually vacuum. It also has a combination tool, which is great for vacuuming dust and cobwebs on the ceilings or corners, has a soft dusting brush, a motorized mini brush, which is great for vacuuming things like couches if you have pet hair, and it has a little accessory holder which comes in handy. I've owned a Dyson for many years, and I've gotta say, I like this Dreame Z10 Station so much better, especially thanks to the base station, which auto charges and auto empties. It can't get any more convenient than that. Now let's move on to the X40 Ultra robot vacuum, which is the best of the best. It has this awesome mop extend robo swing tech, which basically swings out the mop into corners and under furniture, right against the baseboards when it's washing. You literally just get every corner. The mop system works super well. And one of the new features is their AI-driven side reach, which basically has this little spinning brush that collects debris. Well, it starts swinging out, which means it goes into corners, which wasn't possible before. It also goes under furniture to pick up crumbs, like you can see in this video right here, goes under appliances. It basically gets you full cleaning performance. I also like that it has 12,000 PAs of suction power for vacuuming, does a great job getting dust out of carpets. And I love the tri-cut brush, which has kind of built-in razor blades, which cuts hair so you never have hair wound up on the brush, which is amazing. Now, my favorite thing is the automatic base station, where you have your clean water tank, your dirty water tank, you have built-in cleaning solution, which auto mixes, and you have auto emptying dust collection system that lasts 75 days. It also cleans itself using 70 degrees Celsius water, which means the mops are always clean, and the washboard itself has self-cleaning on the inside, which is amazing with a new duo scraper. Make sure it doesn't get dirty or gross down there. I also love the mop removal feature where it'll remove the mops, go clean all my carpets and rugs first, which is awesome, and then it comes back, washes the mop so it can do the mopping for the entire floors. The app system works really well with the Clean Genius feature, which basically scans your entire home and splits it up into different rooms for more efficient cleaning, and it lets you choose your cleaning priorities and set no-go zones, and it just works so well. It's also got really amazing LiDAR-based AI obstacle avoidance, which works really great so it doesn't suck up any toys. It also has pet recognition to be safe around pets and kids. The battery life was absolutely amazing. Like, it can clean my entire main floor twice and you'll still have battery life left over. And in the app, there's so many settings to customize and the UI is great. The X40 Ultra is so amazing for passive maintenance-free cleaning. And now let's move on to the Dreame H12 Pro, which is perfect if you have kids, which I do. I have 2 of them and they are messy when they eat. So when they drop sticky rice with barbecue sauce or wet cereal on the floor, it starts getting all soggy. This is perfect for that. It has a wet mop that mops it all up, cleans it up, gets rid of anything sticky. And let me tell you, I've used quite a few different of these wet mop and vacuums from different brands that were much more expensive, and the H12 Pro is my favorite because it's the only one that doesn't smell like the other ones do. It has an edge-to-edge cleaning brush, which is a game changer compared to all the other ones I've tried, which many only have an edge-to-edge brush on one side, which this one has both sides, which is awesome. It has a high-speed brushless motor, and the mops get wet and auto-clean while they spin, which means you can clean up really sticky messes like wet cereal, ketchup, whatever, without having to change the mops like you would if you were manually mopping. It has 3 cleaning modes: auto, which gets it wet, vacuum mode, which stops the water flow, and ultra mode to get rid of dried up or tougher messes. It also comes with cleaning solution, which mixes with water to keep your floors nice and fresh, and it comes with a self-cleaning base station, which you just put the H12 Pro on the dock, press the self-cleaning button, and it'll clean up the mops and activate the hot air drying mode to fully dry the brush so it doesn't smell. My wife uses this every day to help clean up the kids' messes, and it's been a game changer. Now, Ben also has one of these, but it's the Dreame H14, which is a 180-degree lie flat wet vacuum and mop, and his wife absolutely loves it as well. So these are a must-have in this day and age. Now, as for some of the other less expensive alternatives, there's a great one for the Z10 Station, which is the Dreame R20. Now, this one doesn't come with the base station, but instead has a wall mount charging setup, and the vacuum itself is very similar to the Z10, but it's smaller and more lightweight. It comes with the same accessories, so you get that nice multi-purpose brush with the blue LEDs, and it also supports boost mode, which does a very good job at vacuuming. Now, in terms of other robot vacuums, Dreame also has their previous L20 Ultra, which is also on a crazy sale for Black Friday. Once again, links in the description below. This one's really similar to the X40 Ultra, but it misses out on a few things, like not having side reach and having lower 7,000 PAs of suction, but it still has mop extend, the self-cleaning base station, and more, so I'd recommend it for those who want to save a few $100. But overall, I've got to say that out of all smart home cleaning brands and robot vacuum cleaners that I've tried, Dreame has been my absolute favorite, constantly putting out great cleaning products at very competitive prices, especially with the Black Friday sale going on. And also, Dreame software and UI has always been the best beyond a doubt, so much more reliable than other competitors. And I've honestly been really enjoying having a full smart home cleaning setup at home with not only the X40 Ultra robot vacuum, but now the Dyson killer Dreame Z10 Station for vacuuming carpets, rugs, hard floors, and of course for sticky messes, the H12 Pro has been my all-time favorite thanks to its performance, battery life, and the fact that it doesn't smell like others do. So with that said, go ahead and check out all of the Dreame cleaning products that I've mentioned down in the description below, and once again, their Black Friday sale will have the best prices since launch on all these products from November 21st to December 2nd, so definitely order. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.